In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch movies in the original language on Amazon.de. If you prefer hearing a movie the way it was originally made with the original actors' voices and delivery, Amazon.de gives you a simple way to switch the audio when that option is available. The exact menu may look slightly different depending on whether you're using a web browser or the Prime Video app, but the overall process is very similar. To begin, open your web browser and go to amazon.de or open the Prime Video app on your device. Once you're there, sign in to your Amazon account so you can access the movie library and playback options. Next, find the movie you want to watch. You can use the search bar to enter the title, then open the movie's details page. This page is useful because it often shows the available languages before you even start watching. Look for a section labeled Audio Languages or simply Languages. This can help you confirm whether the movie includes the original language you want, such as English, French, Spanish, or another option. Once you've found the right movie, start playback by selecting Watch Now, Rent, or Buy, depending on how that title is offered. After the movie begins playing, you'll need to bring up the playback controls. On a computer, move your mouse over the video. On a phone or tablet, tap the screen. This should reveal the menu icons. Now open the audio and subtitles menu, which is usually shown with a speech bubble icon. Inside that menu, look at the list of available audio tracks and choose the movie's original language. For example, if the movie is currently playing with German dubbing, you can switch it to English if that is the original version, and if it's available. If you also want subtitles, this is the same place where you can select them. You can choose no subtitles at all, or pick from options like German subtitles, English subtitles, or any other subtitle language offered for that movie. This is especially helpful if you want to hear the original dialogue clearly while still having text support. After selecting your preferred audio and subtitle settings, simply continue watching. In many cases, Prime Video may remember your language preference for future viewing, which can save you time the next time you watch something. And that's it. That's how to watch movies in the original language on Amazon.de.